Staycation dito sa 3-star hotel in Manila with skyline view plus fun activities for as low as 1.8k. Check out Celapods in Pasay City. Welcoming lahat ng staff from reception to room attendants. We avail this room for 2 packs for only 1,800. Cute size yung room, malamig and complete sa gamit. From comfy beddings, earplugs para pag nag-swimming, smart TV, Wi-Fi, blower, and toiletries. Tama lang yung size ng toilet and bathroom with the hot and cold shower. May swing couch sa hallway, microwave, and water sa common area. This room naman is for my siblings. 6 packs for 5,400. Functional lahat ng spaces. Malamig. May sleepers din, sofa bed, and 3 loft beds na double. Hiwalay yung toilet and bathroom with a hot and cold shower. Sulit talaga sa amenities like hanging pods for thrill and pool area nila sa rooftop. Lawak and perfect for tambayan na may swings, glass pathwalks, net bed, and yung nakakakaba pero nakaka-enjoy na hanging rope bridge. Available din yung towels for swimming and clean, comfy bathrooms, 4-feet swimming pools, and jacuzzi. Plus the skyline view of Makati and Pasay City. Sarap din mag-night swimming dito. Sa breakfast naman, you can order via room service. May bread and sausage, danggit and daing, fresh fruits, and more classic Pinoy almusal na lahat pasok sa panlasa namin. So book at Celapods now.